Reading practice 2. The gift of patience. In today's fast world, we want everything quickly. Quick results, quick answers, quick success. Waiting feels uncomfortable. But patience is not about waiting silently, it's about trusting the process while you wait. Think of nature. A flower doesn't bloom the moment it's planted. It takes sunlight, water, and time. You can't pull the petals open to make it bloom faster. You can only care for it every day and let time do its work. Our goals are just like that flower. Some days it may feel as if nothing is changing, but quietly growth is happening within you. Patience is not weakness, it is strength. It means you have faith in your efforts and in yourself. It allows you to stay calm when things don't go as planned. When you are patient, you don't give up easily. You focus on doing your part one step at a time without losing hope. Sometimes people quit just before success arrives. They stop watering their dreams when the roots are finally ready to bloom. But those who stay patient and consistent eventually see beautiful results. So when life feels slow or stuck, remember, every season has its time. Keep doing your best and let patience shape your journey. The best things in life don't happen fast, but they do happen to those who wait with faith and keep moving forward. Let us look at some key words from the text and understand their meanings. So, some key or difficult words that we have seen in the text are uncomfortable, patience, trusting the process, bloom, petals, stuck, and shape your journey. Now, let us look at their meanings in English and Hindi. The first word is patience, ability to stay calm while waiting. Dhairya. Second word is uncomfortable. Not easy or pleasant. Uneasy. Asuvidhajanak. The third phrase is trusting the process. Believing that your efforts will bring results in time. Prakriya par bharosa rakhna. The fourth word is bloom. To open or grow. This word is specifically used for flowers. Khilna. The fifth word is petals, the colorful parts of a flower. Pankhudiya. Sixth, stuck, unable to move or progress. Atka hua. The seventh phrase is shape your journey, influence or guide your life path. आपके सफर को आकार देना. Now read again with the meanings in mind to enhance your vocabulary. What did this passage teach you today? Not just about English, but about life. Comment in the comment section below and let me know. Try using 3 new different words from this passage in your daily conversation. Happy reading!